Morning, Lexi.
Good morning, Lexi. Sit down and read the book.
Oh, where are you going? Where are you going?
Little puppy stay.
Little puppy.
I'm a biscuit. Bye.
Hello.
And hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
You silly girl.
Now that's high still pie. And now
What book are you reading? What's that book about? Can you see the book? Is that a potty book?
yeah.
And does it have a noise? How do you make a noise on the potty book? Can you push the button? What's that?
Children.
Is that flush?
No, that's the jungling.
Oh. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.